Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. In maths, today our topic is numbers up to 100. Today we will deal page number 37, 38, 39 and 40. After watching this lesson, students will be able to count numbers up to 100, complete number square, write missing numbers and the number names. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. First of all, I am going to deal page number 37, 100. This is Adil. Adil is counting his building blocks. He puts them in stack of 10 blocks each. He makes 9 stack of 10 blocks or 9 tens. He has 9 blocks left over or 9 ones. 9 tens and 9 ones equals to 99 blocks. Now Adil finds one more block on the floor. He is happy. Now he can make 10 stacks of 10 blocks each. There are 0 blocks left over. 10 tens and 0 ones equals to 100 and 100 equals to 100. Now I am going to deal page number 38, question number 1. Complete this number square. So students, do you know what number comes after 1? Yes, 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. And after 10, the number comes 11, 12, 13, 14, then 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19 and then 20. And after 20, the number comes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And after 30, the number comes 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, then 39 and then 40. Now complete this. What number comes before 92? Yes, 91. And after 92? Yes, 93. Then 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and then 100. Now I am going to deal page number 39, question number 2, in which some bricks in this wall have no numbers. Write the missing numbers in the bricks. Now students, you tell me that what number comes after 1? Yes, 2. And after 2? Yes, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. And after 10, the number comes 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 19 and then 20. Now complete this. What number comes before 92? Yes, 91. And after 92? Yes, 93. Then 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then last 100. Now I'm going to deal page number 40. Question number 3. Write the missing numbers and the number names. One has been done for you. There are 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4 makes 24, and the number name of 24 is TWENTY, 20, FOUR, 24. Then there are 70 plus 6. What does 70 plus 6 makes? Yes, 70 plus 6 makes 76. And the number name 76, SEVENTY, 70, SIX6, 76. Now in part C we have 80 plus 9. What does 80 plus 9 makes? Yes, 80 plus 9 makes 89. And the number name 89, EIGHTY, 80, NINE, 9, 89. Now in part D, there are 100 plus 0. 100 plus 0 makes 100, and the number name 100, ONE1, HUNDRED, 100, 100. Now in part E, there are 30 plus 7. 30 plus 7 makes 37, and the number name 37, THIRTY, 30, SEVEN, 37. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 38, 39 and 40 on your countdowns book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.